Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can send disappearing photos in WhatsApp. Please friends, make sure to put your likes under this video. Also write comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So friends, please open the WhatsApp app. Next, you will need to go to the chats at the bottom. After that, select the chat where you want to send such a photo. After that, friends, at the bottom, go to this camera sign right here. And now, if you can either take a picture on WhatsApp camera or if you have a photo in the gallery, click here. Next, select that kind of photo. And now see, right here, where the line is to write something else. At the end, there's this kind of a one sign and a circle. And you need to click on it until you see that your one is in this fully filled white circle. This will mean that this photo will be sent and shown only once. When you choose this option, click Send. And as you can see, the photo is sent in a format in which if a person opens it, will view it only once, after which the photo will disappear and he will not be able to view it again. This is how you will be able to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please write your comments, put likes under the video, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.